Hello, beautiful. I hope you're having a fabulous day. So the other night I was on a virtual preview for our fall collection with my besties, and the conversation came up on bras. What kind of bras to wear with certain fabrics. So I thought I would hop on here and talk a minute about that. So as you know, you all love our Cabbie rayon spandex blend tops. So this is last spring's Serenity Tea. This fall we've got some beautiful pieces. It's that lightweight spandex rayon that you love, and it can be very challenging when it comes to bras. So the key to anything that is slightly clingy and draping is to wear a molded cup bra. So there's different types of bras for our unique shapes and sizes of bust. And the best way to figure out what the best style is for you is to go get a bra fitting. Nordstrom's, Soma, Dillard's, Macy's, they all have bra fitters that are trained by the different bra manufacturers on how to fit in their products. So a molded cup gives you a nice round, smooth finish. So when you've got these clingier, drapey fabrics, you don't see more than you would want people to see, especially when the air conditioning's turned down low, you know what I mean. And depending on how your breasts are, you might have spillage in some styles of bras. You might have the cup that's too hard because it's molded and you don't feel enough of it, so it sticks out a little bit under your fabric. So that's why go try on all these different styles of bras until you find the right one for you. I am not necessarily big busted, but I'm full busted, and so it's taken a while to figure out the right styles that work for me. My whole adult life I was a 36B. What do I know? When I finally went and got fitted, I'm a 34D because I'm full. So that means there are certain styles I can wear, others I can't because the bra is too far away from my skin, so there's always that little hump in them. It's just first world problems, I know, but it really makes a difference how you look in your clothes. And you know, the girls have to be lifted. The middle of your bust should be in the middle of your upper arm, so lift that strap. If you're lower than that, they have to be locked and loaded, as we call it, lifted towards the center. If your bra's too old, you're going to have no support in the back, no support on the side. We all love wireless bras, but those are great when you're wearing t-shirts and non-clingy fabrics. And then if you are looking for a great bra to wear with t-shirts and polyester crepes, fabrics that are not super clingy, then a t-shirt bra is perfect. It's lightly lined, and you don't see so much of you in those type of fabrics. So a nice fitted t-shirt bra would be perfect. So let me know if you have any questions. I know a bra is a huge investment nowadays. I mean, $60, $65. So you want to wear the right one. You want it to fit perfectly because it makes the world of difference in how your clothes look. Have a great day.